Hello guys, so today we are gonna unbox something huge and fragile. I guess you will like my video, and if you don't, I'll provide you some info about what I've ordered. I don't want you to be interested, but I'll think you will get yourself interested after seeing what I have ordered. So it's fragile. So I will be using my pen, order from Flipkart. Pen for unboxing, and I guess it will work because most of the time it worked, and it will work today also. So using the ball side, I'll be cutting this tape. I'm not using knife because I don't want to cut my hand while opening it. So let's see what's inside. Excited? Oh yeah. I'll be showing you everything inside the box, and maybe I'm gonna upload it on YouTube because I've got enough data. Wait a second, I'm unboxing. It is very difficult to unbox this stuff with one hand. Okay, so you might have gotten the idea that what I've ordered, right? So let's take this outside of the box. Hey baby, come outside, don't tickle me. Okay, everyone is buying gifts for their girlfriends. I'm buying gifts for myself. So I guess that's the right idea for investment. Instead of giving gifts to your girlfriend, give yourself something which will help you in your studies. And what? You will have fun writing on this. Open the box, and there's nothing inside, so let's throw it. Open. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll be doing it so gently, like that. Just hear the nostalgic sound. Ta-da! Ready, guys? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's nice. Smooth surface, feeling the surface. Okay, that's nice. Nice. What about the background? Oh my god, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so this is whiteboard. I ordered it for 368 rupees from Flipkart. I loved it.